Hi everybody, I'm Norma, the chef here at Brooks Winery. Today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for June, which are jumbo wild prawns in a very nice creamy saute of crumbled chorizo, shallot, garlic, some fresh spinach, and then topped with a little bit of herbs from our garden. And it is paired with our 2021 Viognier. So to start, we need to braise some fennel. I'm just gonna take it, and all you wanna do is quarter it. You wanna leave the core intact. Will help hold it all together when it's done braising. And there you just wanna put it in an oven-safe pan. I'm gonna take just one lemon. Just wanna cut it into some pieces here. Sprinkle that inside. Then we're going to take a little bit of really good olive oil and a nice sprinkle of salt right over the top. And then we're going to take a little bit of the Viognier here, and we're just going to do a small amount in there so it will steam and it will soften the fennel. This is going to go in a 400-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes until it's just soft. I have some here that has already been cooked, and we're just going to take a couple pieces for this. You just want to give them a rough chop. You're going to need some shallots. You just want to slice these like so. I like to marinate these prawns for at least 24 hours. So for that, I just use a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to add some salt and some black pepper. And then lastly, we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of minced garlic to that. Next, I've already pre-cooked a little bit of chorizo sausage. And with this, we cooked it, crumbled it, and then drained all of the excess fat off of it. We're gonna add a little bit of herbs on the top. And these are just a mixture of some herbs we have here, as well as some parsley. This is Calabrian chili oil, and this is just made with some Calabrian chilies that were already put in oil, and I've pureed it, added some salt and a little bit of honey, and it works best if you have a little squeeze bottle to put it into. You can add just a little bit of olive oil, and to that, add our shallots and a little bit of the garlic, as well as the chorizo. Now to that, we're going to add in the shrimp, and now some of the fennel that we cut up. And then we're just going to add a little splash of the wine. That will pull all of that stuff off the pan. We're just gonna add some heavy cream. And then, of course, a little bit salt, and black pepper. So from here, the cream's starting to thicken, and I'm gonna add some spinach to this. Top it off. A little herb salad right on top. And that is the perfect pairing for June. My mom would always get shrimp like this, and the little legs in here, you can actually eat them. So I always bite them off first. Makes it easier to peel. Why not? That is hot. Look at the size of these bad boys. I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but it's really good. That was so good. Oh. This just goes so well. The spiciness of the chorizo and that Calabrian chili oil is instantly cooled when you drink it with this wine. Please come up here, visit me, try some of my food, drink some wine. We have a lot of really great things on the menu this month. You will not be disappointed. Cheers, you guys, and here's to warmer weather. So, how was it done last time? Like this? Just joking, that was for you, Janie. Yeah. Kind of gets old after a while, but cheers, everybody.